Hey folks, in this video we'll show you how to put together the AMULET 16 Tomcat bike. Let's begin. We'll open the box. Before we start, I suggest removing these clips to avoid scratching yourself or the bike. Now we can take out the bike and secure the frame. Pro tip: with the bike on the stand, visually inspect it for any shipping or manufacturing damage. When unpacking, don't use cutters for the plastic straps. Gently pull them off to avoid damaging the bike. The handlebars might not align when unpacking. If so, turn them in the opposite direction. The stem holding the handlebars is also twisted. Let's loosen it. The handlebars are upside down too. We'll use a 4mm Allen key, same as before. Now we'll loosen the screws. Don't unscrew them fully, just loosen them a bit. When mounting, turn the handlebars the right way. This is wrong. Turn the black cables the opposite way. The white mark helps center the handlebars correctly. Now we can tighten the centered handlebars. Always tighten in a crisscross pattern. Ensure equal spacing at top and bottom when tightening. Inflate tires to the pressure listed on the sidewall. Use a pump with a pressure gauge. First, unlock the pump. Attach to valve, then lock the pump. Now we can inflate. The tire shows min and max inflation pressures. We always inflate it to a medium pressure, where the wheel is neither too soft nor too hard. Once the bike is assembled, we move on to mounting the pedals, right side and left side. The pedals are also marked as right and left. Before mounting the pedal, it's best to grease the thread with petroleum jelly. I use a regular brush for this. You don't need to apply much. So, on the right side of the bike, we install the right pedal, preferably by hand. We take the assembled bike off the stand to tighten the pedals properly. As mentioned, during assembly we turn the handlebars, which are still loose. We need to align them with the front wheels so they're straight. Like the handlebars, we tighten the stem in a cross pattern. We finish by installing reflectors on the front and rear wheels. We need a flathead screwdriver for this. We simply insert it into the spokes and clamp one spoke. We'll insert this piece to hold the reflector in place. Use a flat screwdriver, turning it gently in the direction of the tip. The front reflector for the handlebars has two parts, the reflector and its holder. The holder needs to be inserted into the reflector. Once it clicks nicely, grab a Phillips screwdriver. Fully unscrew the bolt on the clamp, then thread it through the handlebars. And tighten it. Mount the reflector so it's visible and unobstructed by the saddle or rear wheel. Now for the last item, it's the manual. Everything we've shown is in this manual, so it's worth checking out. The EXIsport team wishes you many happy miles on your bike.